In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion page full width. If you're a fan of organizing your information and tasks on Notion, you'll know that sometimes having a wider page view can enhance your productivity or simply make reading more comfortable. Whether you're working on a detailed project, managing a comprehensive study plan, or just want a little extra space for your thoughts, converting your Notion page to full width can be a game changer. Let's dive into the simple steps to achieve this. First, head over to your Notion page. Make sure you have it open and ready to work on. Look to the upper right corner of your page. You'll see 3 small dots, also known as the More Options button. This is a crucial step, as these dots hold the key to customizing your page layout. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Now, I want to explain why the full width option is beneficial. By expanding to full width, your page can accommodate more content horizontally, which is particularly useful when you have tables, timelines, or any wide content blocks. It gives you a better view and makes your Notion workspace feel less cramped. This adjustment can also reduce the need to scroll horizontally, which can make the navigation and reading of your content a smoother experience. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, look for an option labeled as full width. This option might at first seem hidden in the menu filled with various customization tools. But don't worry, it's easy to find once you know what you're looking for. Simply toggle the full width button on, and voila! Your page should immediately expand to fill the entire screen. Notice how the entire layout changes, and instantly you have more room for your content. Remember, you can switch between full width and standard width view anytime you like. The choice really depends on how you prefer to interact with the content on your Notion page. If at any point you decide that you prefer a narrower view, you can simply follow the same steps to toggle off the full width option. And there you have it. By following just a couple of straightforward steps, you can transform your familiar Notion page into a spacious, full width canvas, perfect for laying out all your ideas and plans. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to keep things organized, having the flexibility to switch between different page views is incredibly advantageous. Thank you for joining me today to explore this useful feature in Notion. Happy organizing, and be sure to make the most out of your newly spacious workspace.